Okay, good morning, ladies and gents. Right, so today we're going to replace the LCD of this laptop. This is Acer Aspire 3 A314-32 series. I already have diagnosed this laptop. Yeah, it turns on but there's no display. So let's remove the LCD panel. Start from here. Oops, sorry. Gently pry it from the side. I'm just using my nails, but you can use the prying tool if you want. Me, I don't have to. Shoot. Okay, so let's remove the old one. Oh, BOE. I don't like this brand. Ayoko ng brand na to kasi easily gets damaged. Every replacement LCD in the market that you can buy from China has this brand. And this one is not good. Okay, so here is the replacement LCD. This is Innolux brand. This one is a second-hand LCD that I bought from a partner shop. The original LCD is very expensive, so since our customer is on a budget, she preferred to use this kind of LCD instead. Okay, just gonna put. Alright, so let's install it in reverse that we have uninstalled it. Okay, so there you go. I think the LCD replacement is now finished. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and if you want to buy LCDs for this laptop, there are links that I post on dyan sa baba ng video at sa comment section. Thank you.